Good morning to everyone. Students, today we'll start here the math subject for class 3 here. That is the lesson is multiplication. This is the 5th lesson. Okay, see students, this is the session number 3. So in second session what you learnt here students, in second session you learnt here, so the sign of multiplication, so which sign we are using that one, and what we can call that one multiplicand mean what, which number we can call that one multiplicand, multiplier and product. So you all learn in the second session. Okay, in this session what we will learn here, see students, in this lesson we will be learn here multiplication facts in daily life. Multiplication facts in daily life. Okay, see students, one example I'll write here. So example 1, Rahim went to a shop with his father. To buy some items. Okay, so of stationery. So here what he buy here, see there are he takes 3 notebook, 4 pencil, 6 chocolates, 6 chocolates and 5 pens. Here see students, so Rahim went to a shop with his father. Yes, he went to a shop with his father to buy some of the stationery things. So what he can be take here, see he take here, so what he will take, so 3 notebook, 4 pencils, 6 chocolates and 5 pens. So here see students, what we can understanding, he took here what he took, so these all the stationery items he took in a shop. So here see, first what we will understanding here, the cost of each notebook, cost of each pencil and cost of each chocolate and pens. Okay, after we will be taken this one, each of the notebook and how many notebooks he brought. Okay, see here the cost of each notebook, is equal to rupees 6 in one notebook. So its price is how much? Rupees 6. Okay, cost of 3 notebook equal to 3 into 6 is equal to how much? 3 6 are how much students? 3 6 are 18. Okay, so rupees 18. Okay, next one, so this is about 18 rupees for notebook. Okay, notebook price is this one. So next one, pencil. So cost of each pencil equal to rupees 2. Okay, and cost of it means each pencil, one pencil amount is how much here? 2 rupees. Like pencil, how much pencil he took here? 4 pencils. Cost of 4 pencils is equal to how much here? 4 into 2 is equal to, yes, tell me, rupees 8. Okay, so rupees 8 is the pencils amount, rupees 16 is the notebook amount. Next one, see here, cost Next one, chocolates. Cost of each chocolate is rupees 1. So per chocolate how much rupees here? 1 rupees. Okay. Like cost of how many chocolate he take here? 6 chocolates. Cost of 6 chocolates is equal to how much here? 6 chocolates into how many rupees here? 1 rupees is equal to 6 rupees 6. Okay. Next one, last one, that is the pen. Okay. So cost of each pen is rupees 5. So one pen amount is how much here? 5 rupees. Okay. Like cost of 5 pens is equal to cost of 5 pens is equal to how much here? So each pen is 5 rupees. 5 pens is equal to 5 into 5 is equal to how much? 25. So rupees 25 is the pen amount. Okay. So here see students, symbol of, we can call this one, what we can call this one? The symbol of rupees. Symbol of rupees is yes, this is, we can call this one a symbol of rupees. Okay. Here see students, total they can be given here. So how much they can be given here? So 3 notebooks, 4 pens, 6 chocolates and 5 pens. Okay. So here the cost of each notebook is 6 rupees. Okay, cost of each notebook is 6 rupees. The cost of 3 notebook is how much? We multiplied here 3 into 6. So we can get here how much? 18. Rupees 18 is the notebook amount. Okay. And next one, cost of pencil. Each pencil, one pencil amount is rupees 2. Like 4 pencil amount is how much? 4 into 2 is equal to how much? Rupees 8 is the pencils amount. Okay. Next one, chocolate amount we need. So the cost of chocolate is how much? One chocolate is rupees 1. So in a 6 chocolate amount is how much here? So 6 chocolate is equal to how much? 6 into 1 is equal to rupees 6 is the chocolate amount. Okay. Next one, cost of each pen. One pen amount is how much? Rupees 5. Like cost of 5 pens amount how much here? So cost of 5 pens is 5 into 5 is equal to 25 is the, which one? The pens amount. Okay. So here, so the rupees I wrote here, this is the symbol of what? Rupees. Okay. So this is the symbol of rupees. Here see, total money spent by Rahim's father on each item is for 3 notebooks, is equal to, here 3 notebooks is equal to how much? 18 rupees. Next one, 4 pencils is equal to how much? 4 pencils is equal to how much here? 8 rupees. Rupees 8. Next one, chocolates. 6 chocolates is equal to how much? 6 rupees. Last one is how much here? 5 pens. Pens amount is rupees 25. Yes. So what we can understanding here? So he spent amount is how much? Total amount how much he spent here? Total 57 rupees he spent. Okay. Understood this one? Okay. So next we are going as here the exercise, that is here the exercise 5.4. Yes, see here exercise 5.4. Yes. So what they can given here? First one, solve these. Okay, here see students, in a textbook, I'll show a textbook. So what they can given in a textbook? Okay, see here in a textbook they can given here, see the exercise 5.4 they can given here, solve these. They can given here bangles, pair of bangles they can be given here. So how many pair of bangles are there here? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pair of bangles are there. Okay, 6 pair of bangles are there. So in each pair how many bangles are there here? 2 bangles are there here. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so in each pair 2 bangles are there. So totally how many bangles are there in all? All how many bangles are there? Yes, we'll do now here. See students. So first one, they can given here 6 pairs of bangles, pairs of bangles, 2 bangles in each pair. In each pair how many bangles? How many bangles are there in all? Okay, so here how many bangles are there in overall, how many bangles are there? So what we can finding here, see, so how many pairs are there here? 6 pair of bangles are there. Yes, so in each pair how many bangles are there here? In each pair 2 bangles are there. Yes, so we can get here answer 6 twos are how much here? Yes, 6 twos are 12. Total how many bangles are there here? 12 bangles are there. Understood students? So here 6 pairs of bangles. How many pairs? 6 pair of bangles. So in 2 bangles in each pair. In one pair having 2 bangles. So in one pair having 2 bangles, how many bangles are there in all? So I'll write here, see, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6 twos are 12. Understood students? Total 12 bangles are there. Okay. Next one we'll see here. That is the second one. So here 4 bunches. 4 bunches, 6 grapes. 6 grapes in each bunch. How many grapes are there? Total how many grapes are there? How many? Grapes are there? Okay, see students, in 4 bunches, how many bunches are there? Grapes, 4 bunches are there. Okay, in one bunches here 6 grapes are there. One bunch here, like see, so here this is, we can call this one, this is a one bunch. Okay, so in one bunch how many grapes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grapes are there. Okay, like 4 bunches of grapes. So in 4 bunches of grapes, 6 bunches of grapes, 6 grapes are in each bunch. Each bunch how many grapes are there here? 6 grapes are there here. So what we can be finding here? So here 4 bunches of grapes. In each bunch how many are there here? How many are there? In each bunch 6 grapes are there. So totally 4 6 are how much? 24. Yes, so 24 grapes are there in all. It means all. So 24 grapes. Yes, so in 4 bunches having, it means each bunch having 6 grapes. So it is 4 6 are 24. Okay, next one. See, third one, in 5 they can given here 5 cars Each car has 4 wheels. Each car has 4 wheels. How many wheels are there? How many wheels are there? Okay, yes students, how many cars are there here? 5 cars are there. Total 5 cars are there. So each car, how many have the wheels? Wheels in each car there are 4 wheels. Okay, so here how many cars are there? 5 cars have. So in each car has the 4 wheels. So 4 wheels. So 5 fours are how much? 5 fours are 20. So how many wheels are there totally? Totally 20 wheels. Yes, understood this one? Okay, next one they can given here. Fourth one we'll see here. 3 girls. Each girl has one umbrella. How many umbrellas? How many umbrellas are there? Yes, here say students, how many girls are there here? So how many girls are there here? Totally 3 girls are there. Each girl has one umbrella. 3 girls. Each girl has one umbrella. Totally how many umbrellas are there here? Total 3 ones. 3 umbrellas. Yes, 3 umbrellas are there with the girls. Okay, understood this one? Okay, remaining are there in this main, so you do yourself. Okay, so next one, that is the second main. Second main, solve the following. Solve the following. Okay, yes students, there are 4 students. First one, 4 students can be seated on one bench. One bench. How many can be seated on 8 benches? Yes, students, in 4 students they can be seated on one bench. In 4 students, in one bench 4 students are there. Like in 8 bench, how many students are there? Yes, we see here students, 8 benches in one bench, how many students are there here? 4 students. How much? 8 4s are 32 students. Students are sit on 8 benches. Okay, understood this one? 8 benches. In each bench seated how many students? 4 students. So totally 32 students are seated. Okay. Second one, 10 plants can be planted in one row. How many can be planted in 6 rows? 6 rows. Yes, see, they can be given here. 10 plants can be planted in one row. 10 plants they can be planted. Like in 6 rows, how many plants are? So they can be planted. Yes, see here students, 10 plants in one row. Like 6 rows equal to how much? 10 6 60 plants. How many plants they can be given here? So they can be planted 60 plants in a 6 rows. Understand? Okay. Next one. Third one, the cost of one ice cream. Cost of one ice cream. Ice cream is rupees 6. Okay. What is the cost of 9 ice creams? Yes, students, one cost of one ice cream. Cost of one ice cream is rupees 6. Okay. Like, how many ice creams are there here? How many ice creams are there? Totally, the cost of 9 ice creams are there. So, how many are now? 6 9s are 54 ice creams. Yes, understood, students? Yes. So next one, there are given here 2, remain 2 are there. So you can do in yourselves only. So next one we are going as. So here students, multiplication of, next one we are going as multiplication of multiplication of 2 digits. 2 digit numbers. Okay. See here, first one example I'll do here. So first one, 32 into 4. Okay. So what we will do here? We do the multiplication, 2 digit number, how we will be multiplying. Okay. First one, I'll see here. So 4 they can be given here. So this is a multiplier. This multiplier is multiplied. So 2, 1, 2, first one. So only unit place values first. What will start here? Unit place values. So we'll multiply 4 into 2. Yes. 4 to the how much now here, students? 4 to the 8. Yes. 4 into 2 is equal to how much? 4 to the 8. Yes. So like here, 4 to the 8. So we will write as in a step 1. So they can be given here 2 steps. In step 1, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Okay. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So write 8 in unit or as a ones. Unit place or as a ones place. Okay, in ones place I'll write here. Okay, like second one. So this 4 is multiplied to a second, that is the second digit. So it is a 3. So 4 3 is a how much? In step 2 I'll write here. Step 2, 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Okay, so write in 12. 2 is in a tens place, already ones is there. Yes, 2 is, I'll write here. Okay, 2 is in a tens place. 2 in a tens place. Okay, and write 1 in hundreds place. 100 place. Okay, I'll write here. See, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Yes, see here students, 8 is unit place, 2 is tens place and 1 is 100 place. Yes, tens, unit, tens, 100. Yes, understood this one? Yes. So another one we can take here. See students, that is second one, 20 into 3. So we will be multiply. So first step what we will take here? Step 1. So we will be multiply. So unit place values, that is 3 to 0. Okay. 3 zeros are how much? 0. Okay. I'll write here in first step. 3 into 0 is equal to 0. Write 0 write 0 in ones place. Ones place. I'll write now here one place, ones place. Next 3 is multiplying to a next number, that is a 2. Second step is, step second is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Okay, write 6 in tens place. Okay, so here say right now here 3 2s are 6. So 0 is ones place or unit place, 6 is tens place. Yes, unit 10. Understood students how to do this one? First we will be multiplying 3 into 0, first unit place values. Next that is 3 is to multiplying to a tens place value. First 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6. Okay, next one we see these in a exercise 5.5. Exercise 5.5. So first one, find the product. Okay, so they can given here first one 12 into 4, second one 33 into 3, okay, third one 22 into 4, fourth one 24 into 2, fifth one 91 into 5. Okay, we'll do now this one students. See here first we will be multiplying unit place. So 4 2s are 8. Okay, I'll write in a ones place value. Okay, so next one 4 1s are 4. So answer is how much? 48. Okay, next one, so 3 3s are how much? 3 into 3 is equal to how much? 9. 3 3s are 9. I'll write in ones place. And next one 3 3s are again 9. So 99 is the answer. Okay, next one, third one 4 2s are 8. Again 4 2s are 8. Answer is 88. Okay, so next one they can given here 2 4s are 8. Okay, 2 2s are how much? 2 2s are 4. 48. Next one 5 1s are 5. 5 9s are how much? 5 9s are 45. Okay, answer is 455. Understood this one? Yes. So is there in the first main? So you do in your solves. Okay. Second main will go as second main, that is solve the following. Solve the following. First one they can given here 12 books can be placed in each shelf. How many books can be placed in four such cells. Yes, what they can given here students? In a 12 books can be placed in each shelf, one shelf. So they can be, how many books are there? So they can be placed in a 12 books. Like how many can be placed in a 4 such cells? In 4 cells how many books are arranged, how many books are placed? Okay, so here I'll write here number of books in each shelf is, how many books are there here? 12 books. Number of books are 12. And number of shelves, how many shelves are there here? Number of shelves. Number of shelves equal to how many? 4. Okay. And here see total number of books is equal to, what we will do here students? 12 into 4. 2 4s are 8. 4 1s are here. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. It means total number of books, how many are there here? 48. Okay. Next one. That is second one. A school bus can carry 30 students per trip. How many students can be carried in 3 trips? Yes, see students, a school bus can carry 30 students per trip. How many students are there? 30 students. Like how many students can be carried in a 3 steps? Yes students. So here number of students in each trip. Okay, like here number of students are 30, and here number of trips, how many trips are there here? Number of trips is equal to, how many trips are there they can given here? 3 trips. Okay, 3. Total number of students carried in 3 trips is equal to, here say students, in each trip 30 students, like 3 trips it comes. Okay, 3 zeros are 0, 3 3s are 9. Total how many trips are there here? There are in 3 trips total 90 students are carried a bus. Okay, understood students this one? Yes, remaining are there in this main, so you can be sit and complete in home. Okay, so this session is completed. Okay, so tomorrow we'll continue the rest of this lesson. Okay, thank you.